Beautiful color. My pancit, it's not become brown, it's turned to become pink pancit because of all natural vegetables from my organic garden. Because it's my birthday, July 26, Saturday. So, happy birthday to myself. So, because of that, I'm gonna cook a Filipino's favorite pancit. So, because I don't have any panglahok, so I'm gonna use a dried shrimp. It says American dried shrimp in this shrimp. I only have this one. And I'm gonna use the bihon, or it's a golden bihon. And of course, other ingredients are carrots. Nangitim na kasi nahanginan. Carrots and beets. I'm gonna add beets on it. And green beans from my garden. The green beans and the beets from my garden. Onions and garlic. And celery and kale. Kale is steamed because the leaves I use as a wilted kale salad this morning. And this is radish leaves. And also the snow peas from my garden. Most of the ingredients are from my garden, and I'm gonna use a bouillon. So it smells and it tastes like oyster sauce. So I'm gonna add a dried fungus mushroom. So it's a slice. I like it. It's good for pancit as well. Of course, I'm gonna use my Salad Master cookware here. So I'm gonna use my Salad Master cookware, and I'm gonna do the Filipino style of cooking. So I'm gonna spray with a little bit of, this is used for spraying only. So I'm gonna put the onions because I'm gonna use the dried shrimp, guys. That's why I'm using just a little bit to fry the onions. I think I'm gonna add this to fry also. So it's gonna smell nice, the dried shrimp. I'm gonna leave the rest for the bamboo soup. So let's stir fry the shrimp and onions and garlic. So I include the garlic skin. So again, my ingredients: bihon, super bihon, the golden bihon. You're gonna cut it. Or if you have chow mein, a fresh chow mein, you can use chow mein. And celery and kale steam. Snow peas, the bouillon. So it says better than bouillon. And carrots, beets, beetroots, and green beans. I don't put any more cabbage because I have a lot of vegetables already, guys, to add on. This is mostly from my garden. So yeah. And this one, the fungus. This is my favorite with pancit or with guinea soup. It's really good. But I'm still gonna do the tambak-tambak system after I stir fry the dried shrimp and onions and garlic. And of course, another ingredients are black pepper. I'm gonna get the black pepper here. So if you have oyster sauce, guys, you can use the oyster sauce. I still have oyster sauce, but because I have this one, I'm gonna try to use it. Which one is better taste? If it's bouillon or the oyster sauce. So I'm black pepper. I always grind my black pepper to be, it smells nice and tastes so good and more delicious. Expose oxidation because I include the skin after I use the after I use the baking soda to soak the carrots. It's become dark skin, but I don't peel the carrots because a lot of minerals and vitamins in the skin of carrots, so I don't peel it. That's why it's included the skin. So now let's check the saute onions, garlic, and dried shrimp. So let's check it out. So it doesn't burn, guys, and it looks like no oil. So it's roasted already. So that's the time you can add the noodles. It's roasted a little bit, so it's gonna be smell so nice. So just add 2 of these. And then add all the vegetables on top. So the carrots, the green beans, the beets. And I'm gonna add the dried fungus or the dried mushroom. Just a little bit because I really like this for this is from Canada, guys. I bring it from Canada when I come here. And then the steams of kale and celery and the radish leaves. And on the top, because the snow peas, it's easy to cook. So just put that on the top, and then we're gonna add a cup of water. Then I'm gonna add bouillon. This one, it's liquid, guys. See, it's like I think just add I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. I tasted, guys, and it's not too salty. A little bit salty, but so to have a nice taste. So these leaves are pichay or bok choy radish leaves. So I mix them all from my garden. Oh, sorry. I fly away. Sorry, guys. And then black pepper on top. So it's a tambak-tambak system, guys. Cooking a pancit in a salad master EOC, electric oil skillet, 12 inches. And you don't have to add salt because you use the bouillon. This one. So you don't have to add salt when you use this, and also the oyster sauce. No need to add salt. And then after that, close the lid and cook it in 10 minutes or 8 minutes, guys. So I'm gonna timer it for 8 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys that it's 8 minutes. 8 minutes, guys. See, 8 minutes. So it's gonna cook in 8 minutes. Another 2 minutes and we have our pancit. The fried noodles for the birthday celebrant. So this is the only food we're gonna eat today. For my birthday, I don't have celebration, I don't have party. Unlike the last year or the other years. So another 2 minutes and we have our delicious vegetable pancit. We just came back, guys, from vacation last night, midnight, 12:30 at midnight from our cruise ship. So 1 minute more. There you go. It's automatically turned off, guys. So I didn't touch it. It's just turned off. So now it's turned off. It means the pancit is cooked. So let's check. Ta-da! Wow! Look at that. The vegetable is just half cooked. So we have. That's the only time you're gonna stir your pancit, because when it's not cooked and you keep stirring, guys, the vitamins and the minerals or the nutrients of the food, it's gonna disappear. It's gonna evaporate. Look at that. The color of my fried noodles bihon is become pink because of the color of the beets. Wow, this is beautiful. Pink pancit. Look at this, guys. It's half cooked only, the vegetables. And it says to absorb the nutrients and vitamins quickly, you need to add more fresh black pepper. So we're gonna add more fresh black pepper. Wow, this is beautiful pancit. So guys, you can use beets and carrots together to add to your pancit. If you don't have a cabbage, we still have cabbage, but I wanna use the vegetable from the garden because we have a lot of beets. Some are gonna make it a smoothie. Look at that, guys. So pink pancit. Now you know, guys, how to make a pink pancit. You don't need a food color. If you want your pancit become beautiful, not brown, use the beets to make it pink pancit. It's beautiful color. Wow. So this is the color of my birthday today, pink pancit. Ooh, wow. Yummy, yummy. Yummy for tummy. So now let's try it. Wow, let's try my pink pancit. See guys, the black pungus, the mushroom. So it looks good though. I like it in pancit, the black pungus. I like more vegetables. It's supposed to start again the diet today, but since it's my birthday, so today no diet. I gained already 6 pounds from the cruise ship. Even I always eat the vegetables and fruits. As long as I eat some sweets, I gain weight. So today, I don't know if we're gonna eat ice cream or whatever. So any kind of vegetables, guys, you can use to your pancit. So let's try. Ooh. Ang bango, sarap ng amoy. So let's try, guys. Wow. Ang bango ng ng hibi. We call it the dried shrimp hibi in our language in Tagalog. But in English, dried shrimp. Oh my god. Wow. This is so good. A little bit spicy because of black pepper. Wow. Fresh vegetables from my garden today, this morning. So good. Yummy, yummy. Pink pancit. So, bon appetit, guys. Let's eat pink pancit. Now you have idea how to make pink pancit. Ang sarap ng hibi. The dried shrimp or hibi, it's so good with pancit. Because we don't have meat, we haven't go to the grocery, so what we have here at home from the garden, that's the only thing we're gonna eat. So matipid. So become thrifty, guys, when you have garden. Sarap. I wish, guys, you can try my birthday pink pancit. Happy birthday to myself. Yay! Oh my god, getting old. Sarap. Grabe. Guys, so sarap ng pink pancit. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and watch my YouTube videos. A lot of healthy tips in my YouTube videos, and subscribes and shares to your Facebook page so you can be eligible and have a chance to win on the Christmas promo raffle. Thank you guys for watching. God bless us all. Thank you, thank you. 6. My 47th birthday, diba? Plus, I got this champagne. So later, we're gonna cheers for a long life and happiness. And also, this is my birthday cake. Happy birthday, diba? Oh. Diba? Special ang birthday ko. If my birthday is special and then no celebration. So, Bensenti cookies. Ooh, yummy. I'm gonna try this one now.